In this video, I will show you how to fix Facebook friend requests are not sending problem. First, you want to check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or mobile data. If needed, you want to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, restart your router and then check again. Now, launch open the Facebook application on your device. Here you want to check if your Facebook account has any restrictions. For that, you want to tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen, then tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Here tap on profile status. Now, see if there is a green check mark. If there is, then it means that your account does not have any restrictions. If you see a red cross, your account may have restrictions that prevent you from sending friend requests. Now head back. Here tap on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Then from here tap on settings and privacy. Then you want to tap on settings. Now get to the audience and visibility section. Here find the option of how people can find and contact you. Here find the option of who can send you friend requests. Make sure that you set this to everyone. Then tap on save. If your problem is still not fixed, then you can report this problem to Facebook and they will help you fix that. That's all for video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.